Here's what I see with women entrepreneurs, and I mostly work with women because, again, how it starts is I have this gift to offer the world. That's like usually what gets my clients anyway into business, is they love what they do, they love the people they serve, and they know they can make a difference. And the thing that holds them back, and I say them, but I really mean us, because everything I speak about comes from experience in my own life at some point. But it's like the fear of putting yourself out there. And we hear about that a lot, but it is the sneakiest, trickiest little weasel, right?
Totally.
It's like, oh, I'm not procrastinating putting myself out there. I'm just getting this thing ready to go. But that's the perfectionist trap. And it's like, is it ever going to be perfect to put out there? And then by the time you finish it, it's like, oh, it could be better. Or like, now that you've done it, you give yourself less credit for it. Before you did it, before it existed, you're like, this would be amazing. Then once you've done it, oh, that's no big deal. I'm guilty of this. And I know friends are, and I know so many women entrepreneurs are. I remember one time, my husband and I, this is when we were in our RV days, when we were traveling around the country in an RV before #van life. We were, early to the adventure. But anyway, we were driving through Idaho, which is the motherland of potatoes, as you may know. So anyway, we're driving through Idaho, and there's a billboard, a massive billboard, and it's McDonald's, and it's just McDonald's fries. And the tagline said, "The potato, comma, perfected." And I was like, the audacity. This is a potato that came from the earth, and we're in Idaho. It's the Idaho potato. And I was like, and they're just claiming that they perfected it. This corporation is like, we perfected the potato. They just said it. And here I am diminishing what I know I'm bringing my clients, like the value that I provide. It's like all the stuff about how we hear like women don't ask for the raise and men ask for the raise. And it also reminds me of one of my friends sent me this is on mugs and t-shirts and memes or whatever. They sent me a meme, and it was like, "May you have the confidence of a mediocre white man." So hopefully I'm not offending any white men listening, but I think if you're a conscious white man, you won't be offended. The not asking for the raise because it's like, oh, but I don't know if I really deserve it. Or the not applying for a job because I don't check off every single box. And I have a friend who was telling me about a man she used to work with who got a job for a Canadian company and whatever, applied for the job, gets the job. And then they were like, "Oh, you don't speak French," because that was one of the top criteria of the job was you speak French. It was in Quebec. And he was like, "No, but they'll figure it out." And he applied for the job, got the job, and then just assumed they'd figure it out. And they did. Really, may you have the confidence of a mediocre white man. I'm like, yeah, I would like to summon that confidence to put a billboard up and say, "The potato, perfected." And I say it in a joking way because I'm not saying, do things you're unqualified for. But what I am saying is that where I see so many women service-based entrepreneurs get stuck and expertise-based entrepreneurs get stuck is doubting themselves and doubting that what they have actually changes lives, and then showing up and you gotta put it out there, and you gotta give yourself a little hair toss and brag about it a little bit, I need an alter ego. Like Beyonce has Sasha Fierce. I need an alter ego, and it's totally just a bro. It is my alter ego bro. And his name is Brody. Brody, my alter ego bro. And it's just put it out there. Women need to stop holding back their gifts out of it has to be perfect, out of it's not ready yet, out of it's not good enough, or somebody else has already done it. No. Brody would be pretty impressed by himself and just put it out there. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I may not be ready to press send on this email. I may not be ready to publish this website, but Brody's like, Oh yeah, done. Brody's like, I know this is good. So anyways, if you need an alter ego bro to summon that, then go for it.